In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a LinkedIn logo to your Canva resume. Adding a LinkedIn logo to your resume is a fantastic way to give it a professional edge and integrate your online presence with your job application materials. So, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you need a clean, high-quality LinkedIn logo image. Ideally, you're looking for a PNG or SVG file because these formats offer a crisp image quality and often come with transparent backgrounds. This transparency makes them particularly well-suited for seamless integration into your design, without any awkward white boxes around the logo. Now that you've secured your LinkedIn logo, it's time to head over to Canva. Go ahead and log into your Canva account. Once you're in, open up the resume template or design that you're working on. This is where you'll be inserting your freshly downloaded LinkedIn logo. The next step involves uploading the logo image into Canva. Look over to the left sidebar where you should find the Uploads tab. Click on that and then choose the option to upload files. Locate the LinkedIn logo image file on your computer and select it. After just a few moments, you'll see the image appear in your Uploads library, ready to be inserted into your resume. With the logo successfully uploaded, it's time to get it onto your resume. Simply drag the logo from your Uploads library onto your resume canvas. If you're more comfortable, you can also click the image, and it will automatically add itself to your working space. Now, think about where you'd like to place this logo. Common spots include the header, or near your name and contact information. Once the logo is on your canvas, you might need to resize it to ensure it fits well within your design. Click on the image to select it, and then use the corner handles to resize it. Remember, resizing from the corners maintains the logo's aspect ratio, so your LinkedIn logo remains proportionate and professional looking. Additionally, Canva allows you to crop, rotate, or adjust the logo's transparency if you're aiming for a unique style. If you find the logo overlaps with other text or design elements, take a moment to adjust your layout. You might need to move text or adjust the margins to accommodate the new addition. Canva provides alignment tools, like guides and snapping, to help you ensure everything lines up nicely. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to download your updated resume. Click on Share, and then select Download. You'll be prompted to choose a file format. A PDF is often the best choice for a resume, as it preserves the layout across different devices and platforms. And there you have it. You've successfully added a LinkedIn logo to your Canva resume, giving it a clean and polished look. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make a lasting impression with your resume.